Okay, boat anchor here with another Gladiator. This one's a real nice one here. Really nice. Just need to wipe it down, polish it up. I already cleaned it, I just need to do some more polishing. Yep. All the lights are out in this one. So I put in the LED in there, 2 LEDs there, and an LED here. I recapped it. There's the cap on the crystal board, and there's a cap back there. Just one cap on that whole board, and all these caps. So this one's got the noise blinker addition. It's just two wires going right there where resistor went. So that must be the noise blinker circuit right down in there, and they put that in there. But yeah, it works good. Squelch. RF gain still works. I need to put the knobs on. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Let me show you. Let me show you what the bottom of the board looks like. There's the lights for the receive right there. And yeah, it's pretty good. There's the final board. Got your driver and final right here. Nice chrome. Okay, let me put it together and do a channel search. Okay, here's the finished product. All nice and cleaned up. WD-40 the case. That's pretty good cleaner. Don't rip the paint off or anything. And it's better than Armor All. Just gotta watch it around the sticker. But yeah, that's pretty nice. And here's all the caps that I did. Complete cap kit. Okay, now these are made to where you can hang them from under the dash, but who wants to put this big old gigantic thing in a vehicle anymore? This is best served as a base station. So you just put the hanger on the bottom and it's perfect. With the top notch up there and one there, swivel. Swivels here, and the swivels there and the notches are here. You just put it up on the top, and it's perfect. So there it is. Nice and clean. It's got a nice I think it's like 3 or 4 feet long cord. Factory. Everything's factory. The mic's factory. Everything works. I had to change that light, put those 2 lights in, and the receive light. Hello. 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 Just like that says, 12 watts. Hello. Side band. Lower. Yeah, about 13 or so. Upper, and I already tuned it. It's all tuned perfect. Audio. audio, audio, upper side down. Okay, so everything's tuned right and everything. The clarifier is a banana slicer, so you can do what you want. It's like a clip clarifier. So let's see, AM on 17 says 1650. Okay, try channel 1. 9650. Next crystal. 0150. Next crystal. 9. 0650. 13. 1150. Okay, 17. 1650. 21. The last crystal only has 3 channels. 2150. See how the mic was picking my voice up? 2250. Okay, last channel, 23. 2550. Everything's perfect. Everything is perfect with this. Just ain't hardly anybody out there right now. It's kind of dead right now. Oh, NB, noise blanker. Yeah. CVPA. Works. On and off. Everything's working. So there we go, folks. Another finished recap. Oops. I just dropped some because I didn't have it locked. Come on, everybody. Where are you? Okay. Okay, but anyway, let me pour them out here so you can see them all. Okay, there they are. Some of them had glue. Yeah. Okay, just for the heck of it, I'm going to just test one. Okay, hold on. Let me put this down here for a second. Let me get my capacitor tester and hook one up, and I'll show you what it says. I'll hook the big one up here. Okay. All right. So that's the big cap, the biggest one. It's 1,000 microfarad. Okay, here we go. Will it say 1,000? 1,415. Well, that shows you. Okay, I'm not going to bore you with testing a bunch of caps, but yeah, they're all out of 470. It probably reads like whatever. Who cares? Anyway, the key is that I replaced all the caps with Nichicon and Panasonic and some oddball brands, but Elna was a good Nichicon, Panasonic, Elna. There might be a couple of Chinese caps in there, but only the little ones, you know. But they're good too. I mean, they're brand new. Okay, so there's the caps. There's the radio. It's done. On frequency. Comes with a microphone. If anybody is interested, let me know on my email. Bravo Shot 54. That's BRAVO Shot SHOT. Bravo Shot 54 at gmail.com. Breaker with another good radio.